Uy, kanugon. Okay. Disasado. Nabuyan. Good. Kasiple. 15 to shoot. Na-intercept na po ni Pastel ni Liboon to Disacado. May Harris. Oh, pushing foul by Kasiple. 18, 19. Ari, 3-2. Huwag yapon. Liboon to Disacado. Liboon, masyado masikip. Basket. Iguales 19. Ari, sadya nih. Sadya ini.
Lungiros, Tempe Series.
For the win. Oy, nakabus pa. It's a foul by jersey number 1, Kapunong. Second personal fouls. Timbang pass to Disacado. Disacado with the remaining time 2 minutes and 58 seconds. Disacado for the win.
Ay, wala pa.
Nakuha ni Kapunong. 250 ang nabilin. Kapunong na steal. Traveling violation. Rubines to Kasiple for the win.
Ay, wala pa kabus.
Uy! Nakuha ni Liboon. Basket. And a foul.
Agay.
By 221 Rubines. Okay. Pag nasunod, daog na ang Team Fisheries. Okay. May post ko anay para dito sa masabaran ha. Pag na-shoot, daog na ni.
Agay.
Yes! Easy winner. Grabe. Tawat-tawat. Congratulations, Team Fisheries. Moving forward para sa aton ng finals for tomorrow. Okay, Bolangeros, congratulations man ha. Amo ginaginhambal ko so before mag-start ang hampang. May winner. Kag importante ka balogin mag-battle sa kapirtihan. Importante na enjoy ang game. Okay, second game. Aton nga best player guys, sino? Mr. Liboon. Picture time for the commentation bito. Liboon with a score of 21 points. Ay. Ubus-ubus. 15 points. Pati grabe. Anom lang ang ambag sa grupo. Grabe, kaling na ingatirada. Anong game mo ito man? Best player of the game, Mr. Jumbo Liboon. Picture time. Okay, percent.
Second game.
21 under. Okay, Ari. Okay, warm up. Okay lang dungan-dungan ka mo. Okay lang ka mo da. Gaan pang mo tayong tag-isa ka team warm up. Turn around. Penetrate. Basket. 17-18. Maestri Campo. Dribbles. Pass to Oliveros. Jump shots. Uy, nag-in out. Big rebound by Obligar to Orquilla. Basket. Iguales 18. Are. Okay, may substitution, no? Pinwilain. Maestri Campo. Wala. Orquilla. Fade away. Wala. Maestri Campo pass to Melendres. Nabuyan wala. Prenuela. Fade away. In and out. Nakuha ni Villarosa. To Orquilla.
Shoot.
Tirang. Airball. Okay.
Wala.
Iguales 18.
Ano ko naman, hindi.
Wala. Pass to Obligar. Okay. Obligar. Orquilla. Ginapasuhot. Waigit. Renuela. Nakawala. Uy, wala gyapon. Melendres. Ano foul by? jersey number 25 Obligar. Third personal fouls by Obligar. Remaining time 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Iguales 18. Tatlo lang ka points kada team ang kinanglan. Ay pa. Rebound. And last touch by Maestri Campo. 15 to shoot. Maestri Campo. Basket. 19-18 in favor of Team San Agustin. Okay. Line ball. Okay. Melendres. It's a foul by jersey number 224. Orquilla. Third personal fouls.
New Market in San Agustin. New Market in San Agustin.
Ang ball possession goes to New Market.
Ito na.
Okay, back to the ball game. Villarosa to Obligar. Ay gapon. Melendres to Maestri Campo. Prenuela for the win. Waay. Wow. Maestri Campo nakawala. Waay pa. It's a pushing foul by Melendres. Pila. Second personal foul. Back to the ball game. Orquilla. Waay. Ako ni Villarosa. Orquilla. Basket. Are. Isa lang kapuntos ka na team ni.
Ala, kanami.
Foul by jersey number 24, Orquilla. Warning. Fourth personal foul. Time out, team.
Bayad ka ba ng 5? Nagbayad ka ng okay?
Congratulations!
Team ano? Hindi muyong da.
Congratulations! New Market.
New Market ang winner. The second game.
New Market no? San Agustin ka. Kumangkot. Ganito ko na yun. Nest Campo. Dasigata. Noy. To. Dasig. Dalangit bola na bola. Relax. Next game players. Teams. Coach Bibong. Manugay na nisla yan kung sino. Si Coach Bibong na intrigar di ko ni. Coach Bibong. Sino na si Coach Bibong da? Illegal pa na naman na mangkot mong. Nami mo ang trip. Kag may ara pa kita tayo na last game. The game between New Market sa Open kag Team Crossing. Okay tag 2 minutes warm up. Kali 4 minutes. Team Tiamas. Once again. Foul by Vallejo. Second personal fouls. Bonus shot. Pisik 21 under. Wala pa kasakit ng mga hawak sa nimo. Okay, wala to ha. Sa bordo. Airball sa bordo man. Magkuha. Last touch. Oh. Last game. May naarap kita ka last game ha. The game between Team New Market kag Team Crossing. Harap naman sila. Welcome. Bordo. Wow. Ay wala pa. Vallejo for that one. 3 size. Sa Bordo. Size 3. Oras 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Time check 8. Basket by sa wala. Nakuha niya po. Tingnan pass to sa Bordo. Basket. Power drive. 7-5. Avance 2 ang team to humanize. Bilya once again. To traveling violation. Bilya, second personal fouls. Last touch. Sabordo jersey number 23 dribbles, guarded by Bilya. Wow! Miss the pass. Nakawala, Linado! A foul by Matutina, first personal foul. Otso 5, Linado, airball, Sabordo, basket. Coach Mibong. Oh, jersey number 27. Bilya. It's a violation, touching the public property. Don't touch the glowing wire. Jersey number 9. Wala. Waifa. Rebound by jersey number 9. De La Cruz. Airball. Good ball, Linado, basket. Jess Utso in favor of Team Humanites. Pass to Linado. Pass agli to basket. 9 Jess. 9 Jess. Bilya. Basket! 11-9. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Sabordo, basketman. 1 point. Jess 11. Bilya. Ay, short. Violation. Wala. 15 to shoot. Iguales 11. Sabordo. 10 to shoot.
Shoot?
Ay,
Oh, wala.
Linado. Linado fires. Wala. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Basket. Change favor. 12-11 in favor of team Coach Bibo. Linado. Linado for the Humanites dribble ball. Linado na ko. Okay. Bilyato. Vallejo. 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 7 seconds shot clock. Linado. Bilya for the win. Why? By De La Cruz of team. Basket! 18 by 20 ang score. Arigalat.